Video intro 0 to 10 seconds. Text on screen. Want to earn money even while sleeping? Here are the top 10 passive income ideas in 2025. No scam. Background music, soft motivational CTA. Watch till end. Number 1 is the best. 10. Print on demand. Pod. What it is? Sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases without holding stock. Platforms. Printify, Printrove, India friendly, Amazon merch. Why no scam? You upload designs, platform handles, printing and delivery. Earning potential. IS that 10,000 IS 100,000 month. Depends on designs. 9 and 9. Stock photos and videos. What it is? Upload photos, say videos. Get paid every time someone downloads. Platforms, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Stock, best niches. Office work, Indian lifestyle. Food, travel, technology. Mobile phone is enough to start. 8. Blogging with Google AdSense. What it is? Write articles. Earn from ads. Best topics in 2025. AI tools, finance, health education, tech reviews. Why it works? One article earns for years. Passive, once ranked. 7. Affiliate marketing. What it is? Promote products. Earn commission per sale. Best platforms. Amazon, affiliate Flipkart, affiliate hosting companies. Best content. Top 5 best Aggeek reviews. Comparison videos. No selling, no investment. 6. YouTube automation. Faceless. What it is? Create videos without showing face or voice. Popular niches. Top 10 videos. Facts, motivation, AI tools, income sources, AdSense, affiliate links. Exactly what you are doing now. So 5. Digital products. What it is? Sell PDFs, templates, checklists, planners. Examples: resume templates, budget planners, study notes, business checklists, platforms, Gumroad, Instamojo. Create once, sell unlimited times. 4. Online course, simple. What it is? Teach what you already know. Examples: Excel, Cloud Basics, interview prep, cooking, language. Platforms: Udemy, Skillshare, own WhatsApp group. You don't need to be expert. 3. Dividend stocks and mutual funds. What it is? Invest, earn regular income. Safe options, index funds, dividend paying stocks. ELSS, low risk, long-term passive income, not trading. 2. Rental income, small scale. Examples: extra room, parking space, shop front equipment rental. Why powerful? Monthly fixed income, best offline passive income. YouTube plus affiliate combo, best 2025. Why? Bandad 1. No investment, global income, fully scalable. How it works? YouTube video. Affiliate link, passive income, best niches, tech, AI tools, finance education. One viral video can earn for years. Outro. Last 10 sec. Text. Passive income needs patience, not shortcuts. Start one idea today. CTA. Like, subscribe, comment. Which idea will you start?